Hello everyone, this is Riddhi Tavde from Gossipfunda. Our today's video deals with the issue of how to delete stickers from iPhone. The solution to resolve this error is very simple. For that, you need to first open your phone and go to the messaging tab that is present on your home screen. After going there, you need to start or create a new conversation. For that, you need to click on the upper right corner. Then you need to add in the contact to whom you want to send the message. Then you need to click on the plus sign and select the stickers menu. Here you can see all the live stickers that are present in your phone and the other sticker options and emojis that are available on your device. Now to delete a emoji or a sticker, you need to long press on that particular sticker and then there will appear a short menu in which you have to select on the delete button, and here it goes, the sticker gets deleted. Following the same steps, you can delete all the stickers that you do not want and are unwanted. Now to delete the stickers app, you need to scroll on to the sticker application that you want to delete. Now at the end there's an edit menu. Select that. Then click on the edit option and remove the sticker app that you do not want. With this, all the stickers present in your device get deleted. Thank you. Hope this video has enlightened you with some cool tips and tricks. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel Gossipfunda.